Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Top spring car repairs you need to know about. Spring is more than just a time for fresh blooms and warmer weather, it's also an ideal season for some much-needed car maintenance. After a long winter, your car might be in desperate need of attention. Harsh conditions can take a toll on critical components, making early repairs essential. Taking care of these issues now means you'll avoid bigger problems down the road. Think of it as spring cleaning for your vehicle. From checking your tires to inspecting your brakes, addressing these repairs early ensures your car runs smoothly and safely during the warmer months. Let's get into the top car repairs you should focus on this spring to keep your ride in top shape. Inspecting and replacing tires. After a long winter, your car's tires might be showing some wear and tear. Cold weather, snow, and ice can really wear them down. So, as spring rolls around, it's the perfect time to inspect and replace your tires if needed. Let's break down the key steps to ensure your tires are road ready for the warmer months. Checking tire tread and pressure. Checking your tire tread and pressure is like giving your car a wellness check. It's important for your safety and your wallet. First, let's talk about tire tread. To check the tread depth, you can use a simple method, the penny test. Insert a penny into the tread with Lincoln's head upside down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time for new tires. Proper tread depth ensures good traction, especially on wet roads. Tire pressure is equally important. You can find the recommended tire pressure for your car in the owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's door. Use a tire gauge to check the pressure when the tires are cold, and fill them up if they're low. Proper tire pressure means your car will handle better, your tires will wear more evenly, and you'll get better gas mileage. Rotating and balancing tires. Tire rotation and balancing are like giving your car a spa day. It ensures everything runs smoothly and extends the life of your tires. Rotating tires involves moving them from one position to another, like front to back or side to side. This helps them wear evenly because different positions on your car create different wear patterns. A good rule of thumb is to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Balancing tires means ensuring the weight of the tire and wheel is even around the axle. If you've ever felt a vibration in your seat or steering wheel, that's a sign your tires might be out of balance. Balancing involves adding small weights to the wheel. This makes for a smooth ride and helps prevent premature tire wear. In summary, keeping an eye on your tire tread, pressure, and regular rotation and balancing is crucial. It's like brushing and flossing your teeth. A little routine maintenance now can prevent bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Brake system checkup. Spring is the perfect time to give your brake system the attention it deserves. Winter conditions like snow, ice, and road salt can put extra stress on your brakes. Ensuring they're in top shape can keep you and your family safe on the road. Let's explore the key areas of a brake system checkup. Inspecting brake pads and rotors. Brake pads and rotors are the heart of your brake system. Over time, they wear down and need to be replaced. How can you tell when it's time? Noise. If you hear squeaking or grinding when you brake, that's a sign your brake pads are worn. Vibration. Feeling a vibration in your pedal? It could mean your rotors are warped. Thin pads. You can visually check brake pads by peeking through the spokes of your wheels. If they're less than 1/4 inch thick, it's time to replace them. Timely replacement of brake pads and rotors is crucial. Ignoring these signs can lead to more expensive repairs down the road, like damaged calipers or brake failure. Checking brake fluid levels. Brake fluid is vital for your car's braking process. It allows the braking system to create the pressure needed to stop your car. How do you check it? Locate the reservoir. This is usually near the back of the engine bay. It's often labeled and has min and max lines. Check levels. Make sure the brake fluid falls between these lines. If it's low, you might have a leak or worn out brake pads. Top off if needed. Use the recommended brake fluid for your car. Be careful not to spill as brake fluid can damage the paint of your vehicle. Why is maintaining proper brake fluid levels so crucial? Low brake fluid can lead to reduced braking power and, in extreme cases, brake failure. It's like trying to run a marathon without enough water. Your performance will drop and the risks increase. In summary, a brake system checkup in spring can save you from headaches and wallet aches later on. Keep an ear out for unusual noises, Check your brake pads and rotors, and always make sure your brake fluid is at the right level. By doing these simple steps, you ensure safer drives all season long. Battery Health Assessment. Spring isn't just for flowers and sunshine, it's the perfect time to check your car's battery. Winter can be tough on batteries, with cold temperatures draining their charge and making them work harder to start your car. Testing battery voltage. Testing your car battery's voltage is the first step to ensure it's in good health. It's simple and you can do it at home with a multimeter. Get a multimeter. Set it to measure DC voltage. You can usually find these at auto parts stores or online. Turn off your car. Make sure your car is completely off before you start. Connect the multimeter. Attach the red, positive, lead to the battery's positive terminal and the black, negative, lead to the negative terminal. Read the voltage. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 to 12.8 volts when the car is off. If the reading is below 12.4 volts, your battery might be undercharged and need further inspection or replacement. A good analogy is this. Testing your battery's voltage is like checking your own pulse. It gives you a quick snapshot of your overall health. If the numbers aren't where they should be, it's time to act. Cleaning battery terminals. Dirty or corroded battery terminals can cause all sorts of problems, including poor charging and starting issues. Cleaning them is easy and can prevent bigger headaches down the road. Gather your supplies. You'll need a wrench, a wire brush, baking soda, water, and some petroleum jelly. Disconnect the battery. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to avoid short circuits. Use a wrench to loosen the terminal clamps. Mix baking soda and water. Make a paste with baking soda and water. This will neutralize the acid and help remove corrosion. Clean the terminals. Use a wire brush to scrub the terminals and the cable clamps. If the corrosion is heavy, let the baking soda paste sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Rinse and dry. Wipe away the paste with a damp cloth, then dry the terminals with a clean cloth. Reconnect the battery. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Think of cleaning your battery terminals like brushing your teeth. It's a small chore, but skipping it can lead to bigger, more expensive problems. Taking a few minutes to clean your battery terminals can save you from headaches later on. In summary, testing your battery voltage and cleaning the terminals are crucial steps for spring car maintenance. It ensures your car starts reliably and all electrical systems remain functional. After the harsh winter months, giving your battery a little TLC can keep your car running smoothly all spring long. Fluid level checks and replacements. Making sure your car's fluids are in good shape after winter is crucial for smooth drives in the spring. Let's dive into the key areas you should focus on. Engine oil and filter change. Changing your engine oil and filter after winter is like giving your car a fresh start. Cold temperatures can make the oil thicker, which impacts its ability to lubricate the engine properly. During winter, contaminants such as dirt and moisture can build up in the oil, reducing its effectiveness. Improves engine performance. Fresh oil ensures that all engine parts move smoothly, which enhances overall performance. Prevents engine wear. Clean oil minimizes friction, preventing premature wear and tear. Boosts fuel efficiency. Fresh oil can improve your car's fuel economy. Think of an oil and filter change as a routine that keeps your engine healthy and efficient. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll continue to explore more essential maintenance tasks. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.